In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to remove watermark from Meta AI images. Anytime you generate images on the Meta AI, they normally include their watermark on all images. So if you want to remove the watermark, the first step is to download the image from Meta AI. Then next, what you need to do is to search for Watermark.phd. Go to the Watermark Removal section here. Then upload the image you want to remove the watermark. So now I'm just going to upload it. So as you can see, there's watermark. What you need to do is to just highlight and cycle the watermark. So make sure that you cycle the watermark completely. Then what you need to now do next is to click on remove. So wait for it to load and remove the watermark. So now as you can see, it has completely removed the watermark on the image. If you want to download it, you can download the HD image or the SD image. So I'm just going to click on download HD image and it automatically download and save to your system. In case this website is not working for you, the second website to try out is watermarkremoval.io. Then click on the watermarkremoval.io. So next, what you need to do is to sign in with your Google account to enjoy free access on the website. Now I'm just going to click on the upload image here and select the image that has the watermark. So now as you can see, this is the two images. So if you want to remove the watermark on it, just click on remove logo. So now as you can see, it has removed the watermark on the image. This is the before that has the Meta AI logo on it, and this is the after without the Meta AI logo. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any issue, drop it down on the comment below. My name is Ebenezer from Usa Studio. Thank you for watching this video.